Let's imagine a bus. So there is the bus. The bus is moving at some velocity, at a speed, let's say 50 kilometers per hour. And suddenly the driver has to press the brakes. So you all see that whatever is in the bus, let's say your backpacks, they will start moving forward. They will all roll to the front. What is the force acting on them? Well, in fact, if you just think of the Newton's first law, which is also called the law of inertia, there is no force acting on them. So what Newton's first law tells us is that the bus, it is moving at some speed. Then there is a force acting on the bus, which is due to the friction. The bus stops. But the backpacks, or you yourself, unless there is a force acting on you, you will keep on moving with the same velocity, which was 50 kilometers per hour. So you keep on, although the bus stops, you keep on moving forward with 50 kilometers per hour, and you slow down due to the friction caused by the relative motion of your backpack and the bus. Until that friction slows you down, you will keep on moving. So the reason why these backpacks move forward in the bus is actually due to the fact that they want to keep their velocity constant as long as there is no force acting on them.